I suggest not to show up again. I assure you next time I will shoot at you.
You know what, girl, I bet, obviously you turned into one of them. It was bound to happen.
Aha, you don't say. Believe it or not, for me that is a compliment, baloney brain. People like you are a real shame. I would feel ashamed of myself, skinny.
Whoa, Lucy, calm down, it's not worth the trouble. I must admit though that I feel honored. And flattered. You come through for me and my family.
Yeah, but of course, that goes without saying. I will go to all lengths to protect my beloved ones. A penny for your thoughts. I miss him. A lot. Despite the fact that he left but 3 hours ago. Can this be true? Am I abnormal, Shirley? Don't worry, Sally, you are completely normal. Hey, you are in love, see, it has to be that way, if you think. Obviously it's pretty difficult to love somebody that it hurts. Furthermore, I'm a bit worried, Shirley. The referend has hinted that it will not be easy, being in love with a man of the tribe. So, there will always be a bunch of idiots, sad but true. Let that be the least of your worries. See, you love each other, and nothing else matters. My sister and Wild Horse are doing well. And I even know one great success story.
Hey, you can't be all there? You must be deranged. Yeah, and you must be deaf. Hey, I thought English is your mother tongue? How come you don't understand the lady? She said no, in fact repeatedly. Hey, what's so funny, butthead? What's so funny? Hey, are you kidding me? Oh well, I think that's great. He waltzes in, offhandedly, bewitches the most desired girl in town, and waltzes off, with the girl, needless to say. Yeah, and you get the short end of the stick. What a great guy. He just made my day.
Whoa, Shirley, really? Really? Cross my heart. Guess what? The very next day she went to church. Although, deep inside she knew that she did no wrong. She was in love? What is wrong with being in love? How come you know all these things, Shirley? Do you know her? Do you know this woman? Yeah, sure, and I guess soon you will meet her in person, and her husband? This story is about Deft Hand's grandparents, Sally. His grandparents? Really? See, I had no idea his grandmother. I mean, it worked out. But of course, and the fact that your Jason and 4 more grandchildren exist is the ultimate proof that it worked out, Sally. Oh, I love this story. Their story? It's touching and romantic. Oh well, you had no reason to go to church, Sally, at least not as yet. Aha, that's what you think? You are right, I had no reason to go to church. Oh no, no, I even ran to church. You ran to church? Why is that? Was it really that urgent? Oh Sally, I thought you didn't even kiss. Ah, I see. You kept it a secret from me? Or am I just slow on the update? Oh Sally, let's have it, tell me more. Oh, I want to know everything possible about you and Deft Hand, come on. Oh well, when we met for the very first time. Oh, I thought? Oh no, Shirley, I can't possibly do this. Decency demands that I keep my mouth shut, in fact instantly. Ah, decency, what of it? Never mind. Jason, you are back? How long? I mean, since when, and did you overhear something? Oh, you were sneaking up on us. Oh, he's a native, Sally, they have it. Extremely sudden they are here, out of nowhere, and we are not able to see or hear them.
I was not sneaking up on you, you were busy with talking. Am I too early, Sally? See, I don't want to bother you.
Oh no, you are not too early, please don't go, stay. Too early, are you kidding? Hey, you are rather too late. She missed you already, and Shirley. Exactly on time. I am glad you are here.
Good. I am also glad I'm here.
That makes me happy. And who's your friend? Hello, little fellow. Oh, isn't he peculiar, Shirley?
Oh, that's Bear, our dog. This morning you said it would be great to have a steady guardian, remember?
Oh. You want the dog? To keep an eye on me?
Yeah, sure, he is absolutely alert and dead reliable. I trust him. With him you are in the safest possible hands, or to be precise, paws.
I see.
Oh, Sally, is everything all right? You don't feel happy about it, don't you like him? Or are you afraid of dogs?
No. I'm not afraid of dogs. I like your dog. I really do. The thing is... Oh well, the thing is, well... What about your family? Oh, I suppose they will miss him.
Oh, you don't have to worry about my family. They want Bear to look after you.
I'll be off then. Bye, Sally. Oh, Deft Hand, who would have thought that? You have a lot to learn, a lot.
What? What do you mean by that, Shirley?
Think it over. Or, even better, listen to your heart.
I didn't mean any harm, Sally. Presumably it was an absurd idea to bring along our dog. You are right.
Oh no, please, don't get me wrong. It was even a brilliant idea to bring along your dog in order to protect me. The thing is... Oh well. I thought... As regards my steady guardian... I just thought that... Oh, it's hard for me. Maybe you did raise false hopes? With mentioning... my steady guardian. That's not your fault but mine. Obviously my imagination runs riot. I'm sorry for that. Oh, how embarrassing.
So you want me to stay?